Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make quinoa with rice. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa very well under cold water using a fine mesh sieve. This removes saponins, which can make quinoa taste bitter. Next, measure 1 cup of white rice and give it a quick rinse to remove any extra starch. Finally, combine both the rinsed quinoa and rice in a medium-sized pot, ready for the next step. Now, let's get that perfect liquid ratio. Add 2 1/2 cups of water or vegetable broth to your pot with the quinoa and rice. For a delicious base flavor, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you like, a tablespoon of olive oil can also be added at this stage to give your grains a lovely, richer texture and prevent sticking. It's time to cook. Place your pot on the stove and bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer gently for exactly 15 minutes. It's really important not to lift the lid during this time, as it traps the steam needed for proper cooking. Almost there. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are up, remove the pot from the heat. Keep the lid on and let it rest for another 10 minutes. This resting period allows the grains to absorb any remaining moisture and become perfectly tender. Finally, gently fluff the quinoa and rice with a fork, and it's ready to serve as a wonderful, healthy side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.